Alright, here's the stupidest thing I've seen so far. With a factory Ford emblem, usually you got your divots in there that go into a hole. What I got here is this factory Ford billet emblem. They at least gave me a center line, I think. I didn't measure it. I got to measure level to the car, and all I did was use this piece of cardboard. I notched the bottom just so I know which side was the shitty cut. Put this on there, leveled it, marked it with a pencil. I don't want to use a Sharpie in case it bled through. So now I got this, but I got to somehow take these letters, put them on here, and they're not even right to begin with. I mean, you could tell this L and this U are not right. So at the very least, the bottoms can hug it, and that U is circular, concave, convex, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to grab a tape measure and figure out where's center on this car. As far as my height, I couldn't find nothing online on the exact height. So I'm just guessing with this, going sideways, slightly across with the Ford emblem on the trunk. So let me measure this and go from there. I'm going to start at 10 because I can't use that. So we're looking at 7 3/4. I'm going to mark my center line on the tapes, and I'm going to do it parallel. 17 3/4. Now here's what we got. Do it again. We got, I'll start here, that'll be our 0. So 7 3/4, half of that would be 3 7/8. How do I do this while scratching the card? Let's see, here's 0, 1 2 3. No, that ain't gonna work. It's gonna get me confused. Put on a lip. Three 7/8. All right, 3 7/8. That's my middle. Halfway mark. Let's see how this looks. Yeah, I don't care what it says. I'm scooting it over. Making a pass on that measurement because I'm thinking about it. I should have measured from the center here to here. What I measured was the center of the bottom, and this and that. I'm going to use that. That seems right. Seems good. I mean, the letters ain't going to be on straight anyway. You know I'm going to fudge this up. I'm going right there. Get it? Crooked letters. Where's my level? Using the smallest level I got. Alright, that's a level. As long as the car's level. My luck, car's not crooked. Car's crooked, car's not level. But I'm gonna line up my line, see it? At least they gave me a center line. Put it there. Put it there. So I think that'll work. I just can't believe that there's not a better way to do this. Wish I could take a Sharpie and dot each one of these where it goes on the tape. Well, whatever. If I ruin it, I ruin it. But at least it'd be straightly ruined. Fuck. I gotta get down for this. Is there any rhyme or reason on the gap of these letters? Maybe a 1/16 of an inch it looks like. Yeah. Maybe I could just place the center one and go from there. And then just measure a 1/16 from each point moving forward, maybe? Shit. Do one. The bottom L will run the tape line. Maybe I could use tape to make sure everything's straight every time. Well, you know what? I'm going to commit. And you need small hands, obviously. Okay. We got the L model. Looks straightish. Now how can I mark? Straight with a 1/16 of an inch. I don't think I can. What if I use this? If I maybe mark it, pull this away a 1/16 every time. Or maybe I just got to work my way out. Do this way, and then this way. That kind of makes sense. Let's try that. We're going to do one at a time. Or I should say we'll go left, then we'll go right. We'll figure it out. So this would be the end. Approximately. That's a 1/16. I know it's hard to see with you guys with a pencil, but I wonder if I should get different tape and maybe go heavier. Or just write it harder. I know there's got to be a better trick to this. last chance. Fucking Ford. Oh, what? Okay. That's the sharp side. I'll scratch this fucking car. I'll try that again. Here. That's a 16th. Oh, this ought to be. This is gonna be hard as shit. Shouldn't have had coffee today. It'd be great if I spelled it wrong. Oh, that'd be great. I think measuring this would be worthless. But I do need a straight reference line, so I'm gonna do what I don't like doing and guess it. My 16th, but at least it'll be level-ish. Yeah, they gotta be level. Who am I kidding? If anybody's still watching this video, I am impressed. Alright, this one won't be bad. The other L. Where's my tape measure? There it is. Take that. Back it off. 16th. I wonder how they did it on an assembly line. Because I guarantee no union worker is going to be like, yeah, that's great. The longer it takes, the better. Everybody's going to be pissed off anyway about this bullet, but if anybody's been watching my videos, this car was dead. Nobody would have brought this back to life. Alright, I'm not going to measure the U. I'm going to guess my measurement again. I can't go here because the U is curved. All I got is that gap. Yeah, fuck it. I'll cover my ass on this. I never thought I'd make a video about spacing letters. But what I did pick up yesterday was I picked up a hood prop rod for a car with a tubular front end. It's got a prop rod, or it will have one. But it's got a hinge hood, so without that, make life hard by myself. It ain't gonna be like blue beer. I take the whole front end off. Would help all the time. So, all right, this will be the hardest one, in my opinion, because it's crooked on the damn tape. Or maybe the letter is bent. No, it's me. It's not you, it's me. We're close. We're close to victory here. Seems right. And if anybody has got a better way and tell me you really made this hard, I'd love to hear it, because I have no idea how to make it easier. If I fuck this up, the last one. What do you guys think? I think I'm close. I'd say it's a good 95%er, maybe a little bit better. I'll pull the tape off. It's gonna look really, it's gonna show everything now. Alright, I'm happy with that. I'm very happy with that. It looks good. Do I dare measure? Let's see how stupid I am. Let's see. About 3/4. Oh my god. I'd have to show you guys to believe it. The B to the edge. 3/4, if you guys can see that. Hope you can. I can't really see what I'm doing here on camera. And the edge of the T to the end, 3/4. Sweet. Oh, my fucking hips. Let's see, what do you guys see? Ah. Oh, good. Now on to the other stuff. Thanks for watching.